My name is Latish and with me is my friend Prem. We both are here representing our school, Swami Vivekananda Rashtriya Jnanpith, Jalgaon, Dama.
Now we will discuss about the title of this project. The title of our project is that Smart Agriculture Model for Sustainable Growth of Farmer.
Now we will discuss why we have selected this topic. We have selected this topic as we know in our modern world, many people, including peasants, farmers and agricultural workers, are facing many problems in the field of agriculture. So to overcome all the problems, we have made our project to make it effective, efficient and cost effective.
The main thing we have used in this project is the moisture sensor, which will sense the moisture of the soil.
The working of this project is very effective and efficient and less cost as well as cheap. We know that water is life, so in this agricultural model, we are mainly focused on our majority of the topic is based on the irrigation.
Now we will discuss about the materials used. So we have used mainly some materials which are first Arduino Uno board, which is the brain of this project. We can tell it is the brain of the project. Second, moisture sensor. Third, motor. We can use submergible motor as well as land motor.
Some of the concepts used in this project include all the technological and science-based concepts, which include the moisture sensor as well as many sensor-based technology in our project. Now let's talk about the project. This is our model. In this model, we have created a scene of the farm. In this farm, this area is irrigated with the water. Now let's discuss about its part.
The first part of our agriculture project is that this is a well, and in this well we have put a motor which is submergible motor, and this motor is connected to the Arduino Uno board, and Arduino Uno board will send to this motor the message to on or off. Now we will discuss about the second part. This is the supply for our Arduino board. It is the power bank which supply energy to our Arduino board. The function of this motor is to irrigate all our farm and irrigate all our farm.
The next part is this moisture sensor. We have connected this moisture sensor to this Arduino board, and this Arduino board is connected with this power bank for generating the energy and passing the energy to this Arduino board. The function of this moisture sensor is that whenever it will sense the moisture in the irrigated farm, so automatically it will send the signal to the Arduino board, and Arduino board will put its control on the motor, and the motor will be closed. This will helps us in the reduction of the water wastage as well as efficiency in the irrigation. Now as we know, this area is irrigated. So now I will show the experimental model of this project. Let's see. Here we have started this motor. This motor is sending water, but we know that this area is irrigated. So when we put the moisture sensor in it, the motor will automatically close. See. In this way, after completing all the area of irrigation, we have put this moisture sensor in it. So whenever all the field will be irrigated, it will make the Arduino board will make the motor to stop, and this will help us to reduce the water wastage. This way we have completed the hypothesis of the project.
Now we will discuss about some modification which will make this project efficient. Such as first, we can implant weed cutters between the two rows. It will cut the weed present between the two rows.
Then nextly we have created this pulley system with many efforts. This pulley system includes the efficiency to work and reduces the labor. In this pulley system, we have used our storage of the grains, which will help us to move it or displace it from one place to another.
Third, we can use solar energy for the implementation and working of our instruments which we have used in these projects.
We can also use the rhizobial inoculation here.